Dear viewers, how are you? I am fine. Welcome to my channel MMK TV. Today I will discuss with you about classification of auxiliary verb. It's an important part of English grammar. So, without wasting your time, let's go. Classification of auxiliary verb. There are two kinds of auxiliary verb we know. They are primary auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary verb. I mean modals. Primary auxiliary verb can be classified into three types. They are to be verb, to do verb and to have verb. At first I will discuss about primary auxiliary verb. At first, to be verb can be classified into 6 types. They are am, is, are, was, were and been. These are all of to be verb. I explain to be verb as a packet of biscuits. It is a packet of biscuit which contains 6 pieces of biscuits. Am, is, are, was, were, been. If you think to be verb as a packet of biscuit, then it will be easy to memorize. Then I am coming to do verb. There are 3 kinds of to do verb. Only 3 kinds. They are do, does and did. That is all. Do, does, did. It can also be explained as a packet of biscuit. I can explain this way, because if you want to memorize anything, any grammatical things, we can apply mnemonics. Mnemonics is that which helps us to memorize any things, any items, any points. So you will think it tactfully. You can tell to be verb as a packet of biscuit which contains 3 pieces of biscuit. Do, does and did. And then to have verb. It is also a packet of biscuit to me which contains 3 pieces of biscuits. These biscuits are have, has and had. Now I am coming modal auxiliary verb. I mean modals. Modals are may, might, can, could. Can you see a similarity between may might? Yes, right, you are right. There is a similarity between may and might. So it is a pair of modal auxiliary verb. Can, could, there is also a similarity. So it is a pair of modals. There is also similarity between shall and should. It is also a pair of modals. In this way, will, would is a pair of modals, ought to, going to is a pair of modals, have to, has to is a pair of modals. But need, dare, must is separate. They have no pair. I mean, they are separately situated here. So you can memorize this modals auxiliary verb in this way: may, might, can, could, shall, should, will, would, ought to, going to, have to, has to, need, dare and must. So dear viewers, that is all of modal auxiliary verb. If you learn perfectly this this auxiliary verb, there will be no problem in your grammar, in your learning of grammar. So dear viewers, I will come next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.